Hi, Journey to Home Sweet Home family. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope you're staying healthy and safe and staying at home. I'm Pearl, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful GLAM earring and ring organizer. These supplies were all bought back in January, and some supplies I had on hand already. You may have some things lying around your home that you can use to make this DIY organizer. So I'll give you some suggestions for alternatives as I go through the video. Some of you may remember when I showed myself decluttering my jewelry using the KonMari method, and then how I organized it in that video. That was always meant to be temporary. If you missed that video, I'll put a link above to that video so you can take a look at it. Now I'm ready to organize this space, and I thought I'd share my biggest pain point, my earrings. Having them on cards is just too time consuming to put back, so I don't, and then they end up in a jumbled mess. So if you're in the same situation, keep watching, and I'm going to show you how to make something elegant to organize your jewelry, and stick around to the end to find out how long it took me to make this. And hint, it didn't take as long as you might think, although we all have time right now. You will need a clear organizer. I bought mine from Walmart for $2, but Dollar Tree sells a slightly smaller one for $1.25. If you have a box, that will work well too. You'll need some felt. I picked up 2 sheets in white from the Dollar Tree, but you can use any color you like. Cream and taupe are also really good, elegant colors. Alternatively, you can use any fabric you have lying around the house. Even an old blouse that you were planning to get rid of will do. Next, you'll need some fleece. As you can see, I have one of my girls' worn out polar fleece pants that would be perfect for this project. If you don't have fleece at home, you can use felt or fabric of any kind. If you have these hair rollers from the Dollar Tree on hand, you can use these instead. Then, of course, you'll need a glue gun and hot glue sticks and a pair of scissors that can cut through fabric. Start by removing the sticker from the tray, then lay your pants flat and cut off the hem of your pants. Next, lay your tray on your pants, lining it up to the edge of your pants, and use it as a guide to measure the width of the fabric needed. Then, using a wax crayon, draw a line. Cut along the line. Then, turn your piece inside out and cut off the sewn edges. You should then end up with 2 pieces. Keep one for a template. Then start rolling the other one into a cylinder shape. When you get to the end, put a line of hot glue close to the edge, being careful not to go right up to the edge, because then the glue will ooze out past the edge when you roll it up all the way and stick the edge down. Cut out more rectangle pieces of fleece using your previously cut fabric. Then roll and glue. Repeat this until you have enough rolls. I needed 15 for the size of my tray. Now take your felt and, using your tray again to measure the width, take a pencil or pen and draw a straight line using the edge of the tray. Cut along the line and check to make sure it fits in your tray. Then use this to cut 2 or more pieces with this width. So now you're going to take your felt and weave it in between the fleece rolls, being generous with the amount you put in between the rolls. You may want to get a popsicle stick and use it to push the material in between the rolls and at the sides of the rolls. Be sure to give a lot of allowance of felt when pushing it in between the rolls. When I was done, it looked like this, and I didn't like how the sides were looking. So I decided to get out some bling wrap I had on hand that I had bought from Dollarama. It was rose gold and perfect for covering up the sides, so I made sure I had enough to go around the tray. I also measured the height, and here I'm just eyeballing it. Then I cut off the excess so it would fit my tray. Using hot glue and being very careful, I stuck the bling wrap on, being sure to add glue every few inches or in a straight line. When I got to the end, I cut off the excess and hot glued the end on. And there you have it, a beautiful GLAM earring and ring holder. I'm ready to add my earrings on, and now I have room to grow. This project did not take me long at all. It only took me 2 hours. So for 2 hours of work, I now have an elegant and functional way to store my earrings that makes for a beautiful display. Other ways you can use this organizer is in a drawer, or by attaching some command strips and hanging it on the wall or in your closet. I thank you all for watching. I hope you all are keeping busy and staying positive at this time, and I hope this video helps with that. I want to know, what are you doing to keep busy and stay positive during this time at home? Let me know in the comments below. Take care and be well on your journey to home sweet home.